Hi guys, welcome to episode 2 of TMOS. By the way, our frame per second has increased. Have you guys noticed? Isn't it so cool? Can you shut up? Anyway, we got 3 votes, the most ever. And the person eliminated is Moon with 2 votes. Well, since we got the final 2 already, you can vote who you want to win. Could you shut up? Vote who you want to win, TMOS, using the poll in the description. Voting ends in, I don't know, maybe in 10 or more days. I'm not sure. Just vote using the poll in the description.